Can this Audi A1 2012 Sportback deliver the perfect blend of style, performance and practicality? Let's find out. Hello guys and welcome back to JMC Cars. Today we are testing the 2012 Audi A1 Sportback 1.4 TFSI S-Line. In this video we'll go through the exterior of the A1, then we'll go through the interior of the car, and after that we'll take it for a spin out on the open roads. So stay tuned for that. Let's start with the exterior of the car. The exterior of the A1 Sportback S-Line is really what set this A1 apart from the normal A1. If you just take a look at this distinctive Audi single frame grille, really makes the car look aggressive, and also these LED headlights. If you go along to the side of the car, we can start with these rims. They are 18 inches aftermarket rims, which really fits the theme of the car with this glossy black finish. So just take a look at this really big sunroof, perfect for this kind of weather we're having today. Sunny, so you can really get some wind in the hair. Let's take a look at the rear of the A1. It features these sharp angular rear lights which suits the car, and also on this Sportback you have this spoiler. Makes it look really aggressive. The normal A1 gets a bit boring with just this really round rear, so really nice detail. And of course you have the two exhausts, which you will hear later on in the clip. We'll put the GoPro right at the exhaust for some awesome noise from this little 1.4 TFSI. Let's take a look at the trunk capacity of this small hatchback. Just open it by clicking the button under the logo, and here you have 270 liters of capacity, so pretty standard for these small hatchbacks. You can do your grocery runs and such, so nothing to complain about. But enough of the exterior, let's just jump in the front. Let's jump in and check out the exterior. Right away you have your S-Line badge that tells you that this is not a normal A1. Plastic doors all the way down. Take a look at these S-Line seats, really tuck you in when you're pushing this little car. But yeah, let's just jump right in. The way that you can tell that this is a S-Line interior is the S-Line steering wheel. Nice leather steering wheel, and these brushed aluminum details on the vents and also on the steering wheel and on the gear shifter. But again, this car is from 2012, so it was decent back then, but now it looks a bit outdated. The seats can be a little terrifying to look at with this really sporty look, but I can tell you from my experience with driving this car, they are really comfortable. Let's quickly just jump in the back and check out the rear seats and how much space for the legs. And I am around 183 centimeters with shoes on. As you can see, this is a 4-seater, no seat in the middle. Decent space. The roof is not that tall, but they have made these kind of holes, so you have a little extra space for the head. And again, sport seats, plastic back and soft leather for the knees down here. So all in all, a really comfortable little car also in the back. Let's pop the hood and check out the 1.4 TFSI. Stays open by itself, and there you have the 1.4 TFSI, 122 horsepower, 200 Newton meters of torque. This little A1 engine takes this car from 0 to 100 in 8.9 seconds. So this car, of course, is not about the 0 to 100, but it's all about the handle and the dynamic feeling. Let's take the Audi A1 out of the city and for a drive. My first impressions of the A1 Sportback is that it's a really rough ride for such a small hatchback. Just listen, you can hear like this everything in the road. There is no comfort mode or sport mode. This is just how the suspension feels when driving casual. 98% of you guys are not subscribed to our channel, so please consider to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our content here at JMC Cars. A fun fact about this A1 is that one of the key designers on the first generation R8, Jürgen Löffler, that worked on the R8 also worked on this A1, so let us know down in the comments if you can see some of the similarities between the two cars. One of the similarities is actually this floating roof on the Sportback, but let us know. Our conclusion of the A1 Sportback S-Line is that it's a compact little hatchback, so of course the practicality is not the best, but it is, as you would have imagined a small car like this would be, like the Polo and such. But if you want a little more power, it's a great little hatchback. It's fun in the corners, decent acceleration, so you won't be bored in a car like this. Thanks for watching JMC Cars. This has been the 2012 Audi A1 Sportback S-Line. Stay tuned for the next video. See you guys later.